Gordon Thompson, and I live in Woods Hole. BuildX built out the third floor for us from being an enclosed attic space that was finished into a double-dormered, very large master suite. I live most of the year in Singapore, and so the whole process was remote. We had spent 3 years actually working through various contractors and having discussions with them, and all of them didn't really work out particularly well. Doug Friesen, our architect, highly recommended them. And so we contacted Buzz and took it from there. We really needed someone who could do everything soup to nuts, from all the building, all the speccing out, all the acquisition of materials and internal fittings and fixtures, and do the whole thing kind of from start to finish. Yeah, it's a huge issue of trust, right? I mean, always is when you get a builder coming into your property, and when you're on the other side of the world, it's even more so. We had a pretty good idea of what we wanted. They did a really good job of itemizing everything to every minute detail, so there were very few surprises on the way through the build. And just to put this in perspective, we had pretty tight timelines. We are here all summer, every summer, and then we wanted to come back for Christmas and New Year, and they stuck to it really well. In fact, got ahead of the job really well. I think it was about 2.5 months, 3 months. Which was pretty quick. I mean, it was a pretty substantial job. Kevin and the team and Buzz were almost in daily contact, sending videos over and keeping me updated on the progress of the job. Yeah, we're delighted with the way it's finished. It's everything we hoped it would be, and I think it's surpassed our expectations in terms of the end space. It feels larger and roomier than we expected. We really like the design. It's a kind of coastal. Just having a bedroom that's big enough for a king bed and a lot of space. Not to mention it's got an incredible view over to Martha's Vineyard over the top of Water Street, so it's very nice. BuildX is a very professional firm that delivered what they said they would. So the adjectives I would use are professional, communicative, and honest.